A quick one. I just want to remind you something. I don't know, maybe you know about it, maybe you don't know about it. We are not going through a lot of challenges as a people. I noticed that after the so called news of some people who chose to sue their own brother because you have different opinion from what they have, picking people because what they're doing is point and kill. Like I said in our live broadcast, that they keep on doing those things. This is not the first time they try to look for something to nail that on PM or DPM, CS, just to prove that she's a crime committer. They couldn't lay hand on anything. They decided to go through this method now, but obuli boss ikpọmara ga court bụ ebobe, but all case we know the other case matter. We know that they are not fighting for Biafra. We know they don't care about the freedom. When I say that I'm not fighting for Biafra, I'm not a freedom fighter, they don't believe me. They actually say that they are the one fighting. They are the one fighting. They are the one that know how to do it and they have access to everything. But guess what? They are the one struggling to prove that they are fighting for Biafra though. I still maintain I'm not a freedom fighter. You understand? I'm not. And I know, because I know what a freedom fighter is, looks like. I know what it means. I know who is fighting for freedom, if you ask me. Maybe because of my own definition of freedom fighters, of an activist. I am none of them. What I do is to air my opinion. But that does not deprive us from knowing that you are not also fighting either. Although some of you choose to answer the name freedom fighter, what am I trying to say? The reason why they sue some people now is simply because they are not going to achieve anything. That their primary purpose is no longer coming. They can see it, it is not getting clearer to them. They have to lay hands on something to hold on. They know that even the report or the news that they sue somebody will actually push Biafrans away from them. But in their own mind, they have come to a realization that current concern is no longer business as usual. People are not going to spend their time and their hand and money with them anymore. I'm not saying you should not give them money. The choice is yours. I keep on maintaining my stand on that. I don't want to sound like a broken record, but I know what I'm saying. If you want to give them your money, go on and do that. It's your money, not me. I'm not in position to tell you who to give money or not. So for record purpose, I did not dictate anybody to pay money or not to pay money. It's not my job. I have right to air my opinion, but the truth be told, they know that they are not going to win souls or trust of Biafrans by publicly claiming that they're suing people, but they don't care. Because if they do, they would have considered what Biafrans want. But to tell you that they have already concluded that you are not going to turn to them, support them, or be with them, they are doing it without any regret. So whatever they do now to them, they're right. Because they know for a fact that everything everybody are saying now is just medicine after death. They have resolved to go toe to toe to pick fight with anybody. Because there's this kind of narrative that if you don't beat them, join them. To them, they don't want to join. To their own way is if you don't beat them, destroy them, which is a very bad move because you end up hurting yourself and making enemy from those that should have been maybe probably be your friend or your helper, but you have destroyed that because you don't remember that n'echidime. Ndị Igbo na-ekwekwa sị na-aga aga uche na nso ụzọ because ị na-nwa na ị ga-esokwa ụzọ wee gafee. Today, everything is not getting clearer. Someone told me before that these people are not fighting for Biafra. They are not fighting for freedom. Somehow I don't believe that totally. But now, knowing what I know now, seeing what is going on now, I can tell you honestly, it is difficult for anybody to think or believe that they're fighting for anything serious. How can you justify that? You know that when you do this, you are going to lose trust and love for people, yet you still go on and do that. That means you don't actually, you have already concluded that you don't need people to stand with or to be with. I am not happy, to be honest with you, but you have to always remind our people the intention and the motive of these people is to destroy everything, nothing more. Like one of our brothers said, legend, shout out to you. You said something that I, I pay attention to that. When I thought of it, I realized that what you said is true. That 80 or 90% of those that are following Nkere are anti-PM, anti-Samoneba. But after knowing that, people who claim, oh, Mazi, Samoneba, my PM, you still somehow want to give them benefit of that. How can you justify that, please? How? Now that they want to put everybody put everybody in a shock, they have not succeeded though. And if you're one of those who think that lawsuit or something like that is going to hurt you or think twice. U.S. court is not Nigerian court. That's number one. Number two, I don't think they don't understand what they're doing. I don't think. But today's date is this is Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. So so they know that fundraising is around the corner, and they're doing all those things for fundraising. Even those that supported them in the past are now questioning them. Biafra United is now asking them, show us what they're doing. After reading channel to them, are you connecting the dots? Because if Biafra United and people like him can come back to realize that this man doesn't have leadership quality, the question to Biafra United is, did you or did you not know that he would be the leader when you were reading charter? And after reading charter, you ran away. Confusion is everywhere. Confusion is everywhere. Then, I would like to see their reaction. I'm talking about Charter Republic. After hearing that they sue COS and Biafrans. Anyway, time will tell. Like always, time will tell. I am not here to tell you that I have access to anything in the US, but the little that I know is not a journey that it's not that easy journey like they thought. It is not all that easy journey. This court case, it won't be that bread of roses. Like they believe that it will be just a walk away, just a walk in the park. No, there's no problem, no challenges. It's not that easy because counter response and counter suit will follow suit. It will follow up. Though people are kind of like government and they don't want this kind of case because of financial aspect of it. But guess what? Who are those reporting? Who are those reporting about what is going on? They are the same people. The same people. My people, I just want to give you this update because each time I think of this, each time I pay close attention to what is going on and why they are doing what they're doing. Before that, I used to kind of give you the benefit of that, maybe somehow, or maybe what they're saying may be right. No, there's nothing right in what they're saying. Nothing. And if you're saying nothing like that, so question I want you to ask yourself, not anybody, ask yourself this question is, what is their intention? What would they gain? Is it to gain Biafra or is it for their selfish gain? If it is for Biafra, remember that they would have just considered the fact that the Biafra will not like anybody attacking Biafrans knowing fully well that the PM is facing such similar case, they want to initiate on another person. When DOS sued Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister, of committing the same offense that they are telling the Nigerian government that Masakan is free from, and seeing people doing the same thing again, and it's shocking. Akparawa need to understand that, and the Nkere, that DOS, that's what I'm saying, that DOS will feel that they were right because you guys are now proving to them that they are right. I don't know how some of you perceive this, understand, take this message, but those who have clear conscience, clear spirit, calmness, we understand what I just said very, very easy. And I'm going to leave it here. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know, what do you think is the intention of doing what they're doing? Is it for fun? They're doing it for free. Like, because they don't want to get anything, they came for Biafra? Really? There's nothing like that, my people. And like I said, please let me hear from you. God bless you. I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.